Good evening. Today is Thursday, March 13, 8:30 p.m. Okay, guys. Those curious how I did this or why I'm into this writing a letter side gigs. I joined to a company. I pay 199 US dollar. This business is US and Canada. So here in Canada, you're not except here in Canada except Quebec. So I have few friends that from Quebec that they want they are also interested to do it, but I said I'm sorry. So Quebec is not part of this business. So from that 199 that I pay, the company will teach you how to do this. They will teach you from step 1 all the way to when you receive your money, or I mean before you how you receive your money, so how to transfer and everything. Okay, and also you need to put there's an ID verification and also to your bank account information. So you need to put it there, download it there. That's where they're gonna send the money. Okay, through oh no, not e-transfer, wire transfer. All right, so those from that company, those there's a lot of videos where you could learn how to do it. They will give you everything actually. So that's the purpose of that 199 fee. So they will teach you everything, just like what they did to me. So now I can write whenever I want. So I have 50 now. So maybe tomorrow I could make more, or before I go to bed. You know, those curious, just ask me. $7, $7, $7, where you could find in the kitchen. So I'm just when I get home, I just write, then I'm good. Okay, so those curious, interested to know more information about this, send me a private message. All right. Cheers.